Hi, and welcome back to our channel. If you're a business owner or entrepreneur, it's essential to have a strong social media presence in today's digital age. Social media platforms have become an integral part of marketing and are essential for building brand awareness, increasing website traffic, and boosting sales. Why social media marketing is important? Did you know that 90% of marketers say social media has increased their business's exposure? That's right, having a strong social media presence can help your brand reach a wider audience and ultimately, drive more sales. Plus, social media is a cost-effective way to advertise your products or services compared to traditional advertising methods. Choosing the right platforms. Now that you know why social media marketing is essential, let's talk about how to choose the right platforms. With so many social media platforms out there, it can be overwhelming to decide which ones to use. It's important to know your target audience and what platforms they are most active on. For example, if your target audience is primarily women aged 18-34, Instagram and Pinterest may be the best platforms to focus on. Creating a content strategy. Once you've chosen the right social media platforms for your business, the next step is to create a content strategy. Your content should align with your brand and speak directly to your target audience. You can create a mix of different types of content, such as blog posts, images, videos, and infographics. Consistency is key, so be sure to post regularly and engage with your audience. Tracking your results. Finally, it's important to track your social media marketing efforts to see what's working and what's not. You can use social media analytics tools to track metrics like engagement, reach, and clicks. This information can help you make informed decisions about your content strategy and adjust your approach as needed. And that's it. We hope you found this beginner's guide to social media marketing helpful. Stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.